Fitbod versus Alpha Progression. Which fitness app is better? Choosing the right fitness app can seriously impact how quickly you reach your strength and muscle building goals. Fitbod and Alpha Progression are two popular workout apps that each take a different approach to training and progress tracking. Fitbod focuses on personalized, adaptive workout plans based on your equipment, goals, and recovery, while Alpha Progression emphasizes structured strength programming with linear progression and performance tracking. This comparison breaks down how each app works so you can decide which one fits your fitness style best. Fitbod is a smart fitness app that creates personalized workout plans tailored to your goals, available equipment, and recovery state. It uses algorithms to adjust your routines each session based on your past workouts and how much time you have available, ensuring you're training with balanced volume and intensity. Fitbod also recommends sets, reps, rest periods, and exercise variations to help you build strength efficiently without overtraining. The app tracks your progress over time and adapts future workouts to keep you challenged, making it ideal for users who want dynamic, customized plans that evolve with their performance. Alpha Progression is a fitness app designed around strength training fundamentals, especially progressive overload. It helps you plan and log workouts with a focus on systematic increases in weight, reps, or intensity to build strength and muscle consistently. Alpha Progression emphasizes clear tracking of personal records, structured routines, and a simple interface that keeps you focused on lifting. The app is great for users who prefer a more traditional training style, with clearly defined progression paths and straightforward performance tracking without overcomplicated automation. Feature comparison: Fitbod and Alpha Progression. Each excel in different areas of fitness training. Fitbod stands out for its personalized, adaptive workouts that adjust to your recovery and progress, making each session feel tailored to your needs. Alpha Progression shines with its clear focus on strength training fundamentals and linear progression tracking, ideal for lifters who like a straightforward, no-nonsense approach. Final thoughts. If you want a fitness app that adapts your workouts dynamically and provides personalized recommendations based on your performance and goals, Fitbod is a great choice. If your priority is a structured strength program with simple progression and reliable tracking, Alpha Progression may be the better fit. The best app for you depends on your training style, goals, and how much customization or guidance you prefer in your workouts.